everybody, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. Now, on today's Taste Test Tuesday, it's a variety of different things. Some I got from the Dollar Tree, other things I'll tell you where I got them from. And like I say in all my Taste Test Tuesday, just because I don't like it doesn't mean that you won't like it. You may love it. And the same thing, you may like something that I don't. You know, everybody's taste buds are different. Everybody's scents are different. Okay, so what I'm going to be drinking on this Taste Test Tuesday. Oh, my $5 dress, guys. Yes, from Dollar General. I love it. It's so soft. Okay, just wanted to show you it. I like the sleeves that they go down to here. You know, because as you get older, your upper arms tend to do that. Yeah. Whatever. I don't care. I still wear short sleeve. But anyway, I'm getting off track here. I'm drinking a coffee out of my Dollar Tree mug right here. As you can see, it's on the dark side. That's how I like my coffee. So this is Starbucks Breakfast Blend out of the Keurig. I added the glass sticker on there that says Dream. Yes, that's also from Dollar Tree. And what's in this coffee is this Coffee Mate by Nestle's, and it's the Funfetti. So, yeah, let's try it. I smelled it, and it smells like a cupcake when you smell it. It smells so good. It smells like a cupcake. Yeah, so let's try it. See if I have enough in here. If not, I'll add more. It's hot. Okay, hold on. I gotta add more because all I'm tasting is my coffee. Yeah, the Starbucks Breakfast Blend. If you like a stronger coffee, that would do it. So I'm putting more of this in right there. And it has 35 calories in a tablespoon, guys. And no cholesterol. Carbs are 5 grams of carbs. Sugars are 5 grams, includes 5 grams of added sugars. So sodium is 5 milligrams. So total fat, 1.5. Okay, no sat fat, no trans fat, all that good stuff. I'll show you just in case you want to screenshot it. Right there. Okay. And blow it up and look at it. Because I know they're like, why do you show the back? You know we can't read it. Well, if you screenshot it and blow it up, I think you'll be able to read it. Okay? All right. So I added more. Let's see. Yes, it made it sweeter because I don't add sugar to my coffee. It's actually good, but I don't know. I'm trying to get that Funfetti flavor. And all I'm getting is the sweetness to it. All right. Add more? Why not? Let's add more. I don't know how much of this you're supposed to add, but according to this, a tablespoon, right? For the serving size, I guess. Yeah, serving size, a tablespoon. All right, here we go. Yes, you have to add more to actually get that cupcakey flavor. That's what I'm getting out of it, is a cupcake flavor. So you have to add, you know, I added to this strength. I don't know. But it does make your coffee sweet. It's good though. Yeah, but I'm just not getting a strong enough flavor. I also have my water here, my Poland Spring water. All right, first thing that we're going to try are these. These are new at the Dollar Tree, I believe. I don't know. I've never seen them before. And I know they have one with just sea salt on them or some kind of salt. It says new recipe, gluten-free and non-GMO, 100% crunchy deliciousness. Deliciousness. Okay, 0% guilt. They're popped, snack smart, less fat. They're the smart fries. And it's Gourmet Snack Company. And this one here is in the aged white cheddar. And like I said, they had one with just salt on it. And let's see, who makes these and where do these come out of? Oh, right down here. Let's see. It just says gourmetbasics.com. New Jersey, produced in Piscataway. Yes, Piscataway, New Jersey. Gourmet Basics. All right. Again, I'm going to show you the back. You can blow it up or whatever. I'll tell you the total carbs, though, are 20 grams. 1 ounce is a serving size, and that's about 50 sticks. Okay. And there's 2.5 servings in this container. So, that's your carbs, guys. Right there. If you want to screenshot it, whatever. Okay, let's try. Let's smell. Oh, I get a big cheese flavor, cheese smell. Big cheese smell. This is what they look like on the inside. They look like little French fries. Okay. Nice and crunchy. Let me have another one. Oh, yeah. These are good. They're only 110 calories, 80% less fat. Wow. Really good. And like I said, gluten-free, non-GMO. The cheese on there is so good. I'm going to look for just the salted ones. See if they have them. They're ear-popped potato snacks, potato sticks. They're good. Yes. I like them. All right, very good. Now, I'm going to try another Dollar Tree item. Hold on. Yeah. You have to add more to get the flavor. And it is sweet. All right. Is this? This is by Nomi or Gnome, however you want to say it. Veggie chips and the carrots, 0.7 ounce. And I got these at the Dollar Tree. And total carbs are 15 grams in one bag. Because the serving size is this whole bag. And I'll show you again. Right there if you want to screenshot it and blow it up. Whatever. All right. Let's see if I can open them. I got it. They're in a, the bag is has like a plastic, I don't know if you can see that, like a plastic lining in it. Let me show you. See if I can. Let's see if I can show you. Separate it from the, it's a foil bag, but I don't know if you can see that, maybe. See the plastic right there? So it has like plastic in it. This is what they look like. Okay. They just smell, I don't know. Not really. There is a smell, but there you go. I'm not getting a carrot smell. Let's see if we get the carrot taste. These are a product of Mexico, and they come out of Nature's Finest Food in Bethesda, Maryland. They are crunchy, a little sweet. Right here. Leave it up there if you want to Crispy dried carrots. Nothing added. So I guess you're getting the natural sweetness from the carrot, because the total sugars are 7 grams, but includes 0 added sugars. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm getting much of a carrot. Little tiny one. They are crunchy. Oh, right there. That little tiny one, believe it or not, gave me the carrot flavoring. These aren't bad. I kind of like them. Veggie chips. Yeah. I think because they have like that natural sweetness to it. I'm assuming it's a natural sweetness. I could be wrong. But they don't add any added sugars, and it says nothing added right here. Yeah. They're not bad. I like them. So far, we're doing good, guys. And they're only $1. And you get quite a few in there. So, and they're saying this whole bag is a serving size. So, all right, let's get more of our coffee. This is that glass stickers that they have. So I washed this cup and everything, and it seems to be hanging on there pretty good. Yep. So, Dollar Tree. All right. We'll get away from the crispy, crunchy things, and I'm going to try these. These are the Hello Panda Caramel Cream Center with crunchy shell, bite size. Right here. These were $2.99, and I got these at Burlington. And again, right there, all your nutrition information. So, serving size is 10 pieces, and your carbs are 18 grams in 10 pieces. So, it's a resealable bag, and let's try it. Oh, I got right away. As soon as I ripped it open, I got that caramelly smell. Oh, these are cute. Here we go. There's the little, let me see. Here's your little panda on there. They have that little hole in there. Are they all like that? No. Here's one without the little hole. That's, yeah. This one looks more, I don't know why that has the hole in it, but there's quite a few in here with holes in it, and some don't have any holes. But you get that. Look at how many you get. Yeah, this is a 7-ounce bag. There's a lot in here, so I hope they're good. Let's take a bite and see what the caramel looks like on the inside. Oh, all caramel came out. I couldn't even show you. Big caramel flavor. Look at my hair. Oh my gosh. Trying to get it. I said, They taste buttery. Big buttery flavor. The panda pot itself, big buttery flavor. And caramel. These are good. Wow. Yum. Oh, yeah, I squished it to see if you can see. I don't know. This one had the hole in it. The panda pot itself, nice and buttery. And the caramel's good. And it is. It's this kind of caramel. It's not the stretchy caramel. Do you know what I mean? Like in a Milky Way or a Raisin. They're good. Yes. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know what, I already know so far what my favorite is. So far, I know. Okay. Next thing that we're going to try are these. These came from a local Stop and Shop, but they're smart food. So I imagine you can get these at Walmart, you know. Are you ready for this one? Ah, limited time flavor. Yes, these were, I think, $2 and change. My son picked these up for me. They're the Krispy Kreme donuts, original glazed donut. This is a 7 3/4 ounce. Look, guys, Krispy Kreme, smart food. Oh boy. Okay, let's give it a shot. Let's see if I smell. Oh, it just smells like popcorn. There you go. Let me show you this here. Right there. Let's see. Total carbs are 21 grams, guys, and 1.5 cups. There's 8 servings per container. Yes. Smart food, Krispy Kreme. Let me get a drink of water, because all I'm tasting is those pandas. Because it does have a buttery, those had a buttery flavor. Okay. Are we ready? And right there, limited time flavor. Here we go. Woo-hoo. All right. Let's see. This has a, I hate those holes, guys. Oh, maybe that's not the hole. That might be the flavoring. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Wow. Yes, that's the flavoring. Oh, wow, they nailed it. Yep. It tastes like a glazed donut. Wow. These are good. Wow. They're sweet, but they're good. Yum. Mmm. I like these. Okay. They're good. All right. And the last thing that I'm going to try are these. These are by Hostess, and again, came from a local store, but I don't know if everybody has Hostess. I'm not sure if it's just like a, is it a New England thing, guys, or is this everywhere? It says it's new. And these are iced lemon cupcakes. So iced lemon flavored cake with the creamy filling. There's your lemon there. And there you go, right there. All the nutrition information. Let's see. A lot of sugar. Woo! Carbs are 29 grams in one cake. All right. And they have the birthday ones too. Look, guys, right there. Birthday. Looks like the Funfetti. So they're individually wrapped. You get 8, yeah, well, it says it right there. 8 individually wrapped cakes. Okay. Let's give her a try. Let me get rid of some of this sweetness from the Krispy Kreme donut. Can any of you guess what my favorite is so far? I bet you can't. All right, let's give this a try. This is what it looks like. Oh, you can smell the lemon. I can smell the lemon. Let's give it a bite. Cream in the middle. Extremely sweet. I like my sweets, guys, but not extremely. These are extremely sweet. They are lemon. You can taste the lemon. You know, that artificial lemon flavor. But it's there. I actually like the lemon flavor. I wish it was more lemon than sweetness. This is very sweet. Oh, these are more sweet than the chocolate ones. I find. Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's see. 23 grams. This is in one cake of total sugars, and it includes 22 grams of added sugars. It's 44%. Yeah. All right, let's recap. Do not like these. I like the lemon flavor. I wish it had more of a tartness to it than the sugary. Yeah, the sugar's way too much for me. If you tried these, let me know if you had the same feeling or if you thought it was just right. I like these. These are really good. They have a buttery flavor. Nice caramel undertone, right? But I'm getting more of a butteriness out of this. But you can also taste the caramel. These are good. Not my favorite, but those are good. These were good from the Dollar Tree. The veggie chip carrots. I like those. They're crispy. They have a natural sweetness. It's not over, powering in sweetness. So just crispy dried carrots, it says. Yeah, and I like those. Those were good. Okay. This, the Krispy Kreme. Yes, the original glazed donut. It does taste like a glazed donut, guys. This is good. These are good. I think my grandson is going to like those too. Okay. The Funfetti Coffee Mate. You have to add, you got to make your coffee light if you really want to taste it. If you like dark coffee and you add a little bit of this, all you're going to get is sweetness. I wasn't getting a big cake flavor. I mean, you can smell it, when you go to drink it. But you have to add, more than a tablespoon of this to get that cakey flavor. That, I don't know. To me, it just adds sweetness. Yeah, yeah. These were my favorite. Yes. From the Dollar Tree, the Smart Fries air-popped potato sticks in the aged white cheddar. This is so good. Oh my gosh, guys. These are good. Oh. And it says it. Smart never tasted so good. Smart. S-M-O-T. Oh, zero. Zero everything. Well, not everything. Zero colors, flavor, artificial colors, artificial flavors, preservatives, zero MSG, trans fat, and cholesterol. Right there. I like these. What a good snack. Yes. Like them. Those were my favorite. Okay, guys. That's the end of Taste Test Tuesday for today. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you all. I got to show you. I got to start on the peace wreath again. I'm going to set it up so you can watch as I'm going to put like maybe 10 flowers on at a time from all of you out there. And give you a little shout out and show you where I'm going to be placing the flower. So be on the lookout for that. And everybody stay safe out there. And tell me in the comments below what you think you might like out of what I've tried. What looked the most interesting to you. Okay, guys. Until next time. Bye now.